So now we want to create our upright sections. What we're going to do first of all, go to the Annotate tab, put some detail lines, because these will just help us create a new work plane, all right, or reference plane. So in our offset, I've set that just up there. There we go. So now I've got a couple lines there just to do that with. Architecture reference plane. And we can see, just get that at 90 degrees. Click on it, name it sloping section, or whatever you wish to call it. And then delete the lines we no longer want. There we go. Now we can do architecture, component, model in place. Again, going for generic models, click OK. All right, you could name it if you wish. I want to set, I'll pick a plane. There we go. Open the view into 3D, doesn't matter. I'm going to use this work plane viewer. So now I can zoom in and I can see here where I'm actually cutting through. So that's the important bit. Extrusion. And I'm going to use the arc. All right, and there we go. Look, it's in here. And we'll go for that. Go across the other side. Click in the same place. And we can see we were slightly inside it, so we'll just go for that. Okay, and then I will offset this extrusion. Okay, we can see we got to come in a bit this way, and we got to go outwards. So let's use offset. I'll do 20 first of all to come on the inside, and then I'll change it to 70 for the outside from that one. There we go. Click the middle one, so it's an overall of 90. Now we've got to sort out these bits at the bottom. Just as we did in the previous videos. There we go. And we'll do the other side as well. Get the angle. Use the trim command just to make sure it's neat and tidy. Okay. Check your material. Same material. I'm using aluminium. It's 100mm at the moment, so that's fine. All right, we'll tick. I'm not going to finish the model yet, but let's have a little look at it. So we can see we got one there in 3D. That looks very good. We'll jump to the south elevation. I don't really need this work plane viewer anymore, so I'll just close that. And we need to copy these as we did last time. So I'm just going to click. There we go, midpoint, that's fine. I'll click there, and then I'll repeat that. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 clicks. We'll see how that goes. Click on the first one. And we will, first of all, do the ones going up. So 1750, 1850, there we go. Click on the next one. 27 and 28. One more maybe that way. There we go, that's good. And then we'll come back here and we'll go downwards with the others. So let's do minus 150, minus 250. We'll see what that looks like. And that looks okay. And then we can, so we want 1150 and 1250 for the next one. And then another one at minus 2150, minus 2250. There we go. And did we have too many? Looks like we did. Okay, and do that last one. There we go. Right. So we can now finish the model, look at the 3D, and there we have it. It's all complete. Our Pompidou covered staircase with nice clear glazing and aluminium sections following the sweeps. So thank you for watching these videos. I hope you've enjoyed them. If you have any requests yourself, please feel free to pop them in the comments. I will endeavour to have a look if I'm able. And I would ask that you could like the videos and subscribe to the channel as well if you've not already done so, as this does help the channel to grow. Thank you very much.